Welcome to Next Gen School, where learning meets the future and young minds grow with technology. We are excited to announce a 3-week free AI Essentials and Programming course for students who want to learn skills of the modern world. In this course, students will learn artificial intelligence in a fun and simple way.
It was a bright and sunny morning when Roma and Diana, full of excitement, joined their classmates for a fun-filled school trip to the forest.
They will explore AI tools for creating images, videos, voice, and using AI for study help and creativity. We will also teach how AI can help in learning faster, solving problems, and turning ideas into reality. And at the end, students will learn Scratch programming to build games, animations, and projects easily. Join Next Gen School and take your first step into the future.